Hi all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find company data on Academic Labs. You will see that we have a lot of company data from big pharma companies to early stage startups and spin-offs to venture capital funds to incubators and so on. And in this video, I'll quickly summarize in a few minutes how to find all that data. So let's just get started. First of all, search for your topic, go to the company category, and immediately you'll see that we have a lot of data found on companies on this topic. If you want to find early stage scientists, simply click on early stage companies, quick filter, and you select the funding round being pre-seed, seed, and Series A and Series B companies. Immediately you find that there are about 700 companies fitting this criteria. And if you scroll down this list, you will see in the result itself which stage the company is in. In this case, it's in C stage. In this case as well, then this is a venture capital funded company, early stage VC, and so on and so on. What you can as well do is find big pharma companies with a lot of employees. So for that, you can select the criteria in the estimated employees filter of more than 200 to 500 companies, or simply select other, and you'll find a lot of big companies on this list. What you can as well do is you can sort by most clinical trials, most patents, and so on to find a lot of companies with extreme expertise in a particular parameter on the top. In this case, you can see that we already found a lot of companies matching your criteria at the top. Bluebird Bio, for example, has 11 clinical trials, 62 patents, 147 publications, and 300 projects on your topic as compared to the others. So that's why it shows up at the top. And you can click on this company, and immediately you will see that we pull together a host of information from all across the internet in one place. We pull up the information about the company, their collaborations in the R&D ecosystem, including with other companies and with universities. You see the publications that are peer-reviewed, the funded projects that are in the public domain, the patents, clinical trials, and so on. In case of early stage companies, we also supplement this R&D information with a lot of other type of information about the company, which are business center information. On the right, you will see that the business centric information involves the funding stage, the latest funding round that they have got, and when they got that round of funding, the number of employees they might have, when they were founded, which VC they're a portfolio company of, or which other big company they might have been acquired by, and so on and so on. What you can as well see is a lot of other different filters to get through to the right information. If you're looking for venture capital funding, simply go to the organization type filter and click on incubators. And immediately you'll see all the incubators that are available on Academic Labs on your topic who are funding early stage startups on your topic. You will also find investors which are funding growth stage companies on your topic. So this is a quick summary how to find early stage companies as well as big pharma companies in addition to incubators and investors. You can as well use a lot of different criteria to go deeper into all of these companies. For example, for investors, you can use the investment areas that they're working on or the investment stages that they typically invest in, and so on and so on. In case of big pharma companies, let's just say those companies established many years back, you can use the criteria of biological concepts to find out companies active in a specific disease or a specific gene or chemicals and so on. You can also sort this list by, for example, most patents to see those big pharma companies which have been filing the most patents on your topic. In this case, you see the likes of Sanofi, Takeda, CSL, and so on. Similarly, for smaller companies, there are many other filters as well, like spin-offs, what exactly the stage that they are in terms of growth, and so on and so on. In addition to this company category, I would like to reiterate that each category on Academic Labs has a lot of data on companies, and we have made these quick filters called show companies to get to those data. So if you click on show companies, you immediately find 11,000 patents on companies, and you can get an analytics on which are the companies with the most patents on the topic. In this case, it's Roche, Sanofi, J&J, and so on. You can also go to clinical trials and do the same. You can see the companies which have sponsored or collaborated with the most clinical trials on your topic, and you can see the analytics on that. Similarly, you can do the same with researchers to find out those companies which have the most researchers on your topic. And when you click on that, you will immediately see the analytics on that as well. So that's in a nutshell how to find out a lot of the company data on academic labs. I hope you find this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.